Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make one of my favorite juicy and delicious oven baked salmon recipe. It's a quick and easy recipe, so if you're interested in seeing more of how I make this recipe, keep on watching. Also, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So to get this recipe started, I've got 4 beautiful salmon. It's already washed and cleaned. That's what the salmon looks like. It looks pretty good and it smells really good. We're going to go in with these flavorful seasoning to season these salmon pieces. So we're going to use our Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, fine sea salt, smoked paprika, and chill powder. So just go right ahead and mix the seasoning together, make sure it's fully combined. Then we're going to set it to the side. We're going to get our marinade ready. So for this marinade, I am using low sodium soy sauce. We're going to add extra virgin olive oil, teriyaki sauce, sesame seed oil, honey and garlic. So I am using minced garlic, but if you have fresh garlic, that will do as well. It will add more flavor to these beautiful salmon pieces. So now we are going to get ready to add our honey to the bowl. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of honey to the bowl. Now we're going to mix the honey inside of the sauce, make sure it's fully combined. Now we are going to go in with our minced garlic, which is going to add lots of flavor to these salmon pieces. Now we're going to add half the seasoning into the bowl and we're going to mix again. This flavorful seasoning is going to add so much flavor to this recipe, guys. Now we're going to add more seasoning to the bowl. We're going to mix again. Once the seasoning is fully combined, we're going to add this flavorful and delicious sauce onto the salmon, guys. Make sure the salmon is fully coated into this delicious sauce. Guys, do you see that beautiful sauce on the salmon? It looks absolutely beautiful and the smell is amazing. I love the smell of the sauce. The combination of the seasoning gives so much flavor to these salmon. Now we're going to add some more sauce to the salmon, just like that. Then we're going to lightly massage the sauce onto the salmon. Once the salmon pieces are fully seasoned, this is what it should look like. It looks pretty good, as you guys can see. It's nice and fully coated into the sauce. So we're going to set the salmon to the side. We're going to get 1 egg. We're going to add 1 egg to the bowl. Mix very well. So this beautiful sauce here, we're going to use it to make our gravy for the salmon. Once the sauce is fully mixed, it should be nice and thin. We're going to set the sauce to the side. We're going to get our vegetables ready. So the vegetables that I will be using is fresh onion, fresh pepper, red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper, which is right there. We're going to place those peppers on our baking tray, just like that. Next, we're going to add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil onto the veggies. Next, we're going to place this beautiful salmon onto the vegetables. In the meantime, we're going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees. And then we're going to pour that juicy extra sauce onto the salmon. This sauce is nice and flavorful, so you don't want to waste it. Just go right ahead and pour it onto the salmon, just like that. So if you like your veggies to be nice and crunchy like myself, you can set this to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we're going to sprinkle a small amount of Old Bay seasoning on the top of the salmon, guys, and then we're going to add our unsalted butter onto the salmon to create that nice moisture for these beautiful salmon. And that's what the salmon looks like. It looks pretty good. It smells amazing. Now we're going to cover the salmon with a small piece of foil paper, just like that. We want to keep the moisture inside of the baking tray. After baking for 15 to 20 minutes, guys, this is the final result of this juicy and delicious oven baked salmon recipe. This recipe came out so beautiful. It was nice and juicy. The veggies were nice and crunchy, just the way I like them. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this quick and easy oven baked marinated salmon recipe. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. To like, subscribe, and share, and I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Thank you guys so much. Take care. Bye.